Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, but it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this case, makes summarizing the price action very, very straightforward. So before anything else, I'm just going to get rid of these lines. They're from yesterday's video. They don't matter anymore right now. But if you say, Clay, look, summarize this for me, an absolute pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of the company is, shady and being run out of some bunker in North Korea. I'm making that statement based solely on how the price has acted. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then all of a sudden, within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's kind of apply that definition and just kind of figure out where all this started. And for me, it started when it finally broke outside of this range right here at $4.40. I mean, you go back through the history of the chart, and you can see that, right here, technically got slightly above it, but right there immediately directed. But point being, that is kind of where the breakout started. So let's apply the definition. Price makes a really nice move. So technically, it started right there on the breakout, and the price went all the way up there yesterday. I'm hoping we can all agree that, yeah, that was a really, really nice move. Second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this all happened in the time span of 2 days, once again, I'm hoping we can all agree that, yeah, this did happen within a short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So again, where did we say it started? Well, it started at this breakout point right here. Where is the price at? Right now, at this point in time, the price is right here. And not to insult your intelligence, but it is literally not only back to where it started, but even lower than where it started. And that is the epitome of a pump and dump. Am I saying the price can never, ever make another nice move again? I'm not saying that at all. So another way you could say this is, kind of back to the drawing board for the bulls. But as far as the big gap up yesterday and all the hoopla, yeah, that was a totally fake move. There was no genuine strength behind it, because if there was genuine strength behind it, the price would be making progress right now. And again, not to insult your intelligence, but going back to where it all started, and in this case even lower, is not a sign of progress at all. It's literally going in the opposite direction. So GNC, like I said, if you were to ask me, summarize it, an absolute pump and dump. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.